We're going to look at a cheap, easy way to stop wind noise when videoing on your smartphone. Go to Dollar Tree or get in your grandma's drawer and find some of these hair rollers and simply take the hair roller off. And once you take the hair roller off, cut it the size that you're going to need. Probably you could start in half and try that out, see how that works, and then put it inside the hole and cut it right down the center like that. And there you go, you're ready to go. It looks like Pac-Man. And once you're done with that, you just take it and put it on your phone. Now, if you're not for sure where the microphone is on your phone, on the phone that we're going to be testing is a Pixel 2 XL, and the microphone, it kind of looks like this, is at the very top. This is a different phone. If you're not for sure where it's at, search Google for your phone, space, and then the diagram. And it should bring up a diagram of your phone, and you can look and see where the speaker is. A lot of times it's just a little bitty hole. I think on this one, I don't know if you could see that little hole right there. I think it's that one. But on the one that we're recording on right now, it's on the top, just like that. So you would take your half roller and stick it on the side like that. It doesn't look too bad. Easy to put on too. So you just put it on there and you record. We're going to do some testing here in just a second so you can actually see how it works. But it's super simple. You can have it in your purse, you can have it in your car. I tried a bunch of different other ways because I didn't want to have to carry this around or keep it with me every time I record. But unfortunately, I couldn't figure out a way. I put tape over this hole. I put some cotton inside the hole, some rope, some string. I tried a pipe cleaner and stick inside there, but I couldn't find anything that works. If you can find anything that works, I'd love to hear about it here. All right, we're going to do the wind test without it on at first so you can hear what it sounds, and then we'll come back and put it on. All right, we're going to pause it and put it on. All right, it's on now, and now we're going to do the wind test with it on. All right, we're going to turn off the fan. And that's it. If you have any questions or anything, I'd love to hear them. And if you have any better ideas how to do this, I'd love to hear that too. But yeah, like I said, you can get these at Dollar Tree for $1. Can't beat it. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.